This is what I call blue therapy. It's the sound of nature and looking at the water. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Again, deep breath in, out through your mouth. I do this 4 times. And I've been like this my entire life, but it especially helped me during cancer and my treatment. It's just so peaceful, listening to the sounds of the birds, looking at the water. Close your eyes and you could feel your chest rise. Feel your neck relax, your face relax, your shoulders down, your arms relax, your fingers, and just breathe. And if your mind leaves this state of relaxation, just bring it back. Enjoy the rest of your day.